Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
Luxurious 3-bed, 3-bath house featuring a spacious outdoor area and private pool nestled near the beach. Pristine Bay is Roatan's residential resort community with the island's only 18-hole championship golf course, beach, and much more. This villa is being offered turnkey. Experience luxury in this beachfront haven located in Roatan Rock. This spacious retreat boasts a main house featuring 4 bedrooms and a guest house with 2 bedrooms, both offering stunning views of the ocean and owner's boat slip. Enjoy the large open-concept living. Kitchen in the main house is perfect for entertaining. The guest house comes equipped with its own full kitchen. Relax on the deck, take a dip in the pool, and savor the ocean breeze. This property includes a marina slip and a 28-foot single-engine powerboat, ensuring a seamless blend of comfort and maritime adventure. Paradise awaits! On-site property management and rental information of an owner looking to offset some ownership expenses. Schedule your showing today. Villa Serendipity, located beachfront in Parrot Tree, is a gorgeous Hugo Coelho design and build, featuring an open-concept kitchen and living space with 2 adjoining ensuite bedrooms on either side, both with large windows to the sea. In the back, literally perched in front of the Caribbean Sea, is a large infinity pool surrounded by expansive outdoor space and 2 stairways to the sea. The villa is in the finishing touches of new furniture, kitchen cabinets, bedroom build-ins for further storage, as well as a new double vanity in the master bath. Villa Afortunato, a coveted Sorrenti Designs home and tranquil community of Topridge and Sandy Bay, offer million-dollar views, including unblockable, breathtaking panoramic vistas from nearly every room in the home. This unique pod-style home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with an ocean view pool. With new appliances throughout, there are expansive decks, vaulted ceilings, and tasteful furnishings. Perfectly located at the very end of Topridge, you are minutes away from the airport, shopping, restaurants, supermarkets, and West End Village. A contemporary statement home on one of the finest lots in Roatan. Absolute hilltop with views from every room. Casa Cristal is a full concrete construction 4-bedroom home with open-concept living and a detached garage. Outside, it only gets better with large pool, many covered patios, and sun decks. Both sunset and sunrise hilltop location is the crown on this contemporary masterpiece. Home being offered turnkey and ready for your personal use, rental, or both. Located mid-island with views over the 18-hole Black Pearl Golf Course and onto the blue waters and coral reefs. You will enjoy the security and amenities of the Coral View community with private beach, dock, and community pool. Escape to paradise with this stunning 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom beachfront condo in the Roatan Rock community on the picturesque island of Roatan. Open concept living with a kitchen featuring modern appliances and granite countertops. Whether you're seeking a vacation home, investment property, or your own private beachfront sanctuary, this 1-bedroom condo in Roatan Rock is your ticket to tropical bliss. Don't miss your opportunity to own a piece of Roatan paradise.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.